Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Lagos Money Week. As the dynamic CEO of Pace Setters Entrepreneurs Network, PEN Global Group, David Achom's impact is nothing short of extraordinary. In 2022, he secured the second spot on the list of top 22 young trailblazers in Nigeria. The following year, he was honored with the prestigious Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna Platinum Award of Excellence, recognizing him as the Achiever par excellence by the National Association of Northern Nigerian Students. In 2023, David achieved global recognition with the Nobel Prize for Excellence, presented by the Youth Coalition for Education in Nigeria, YOCEN, acknowledging him as a beacon of hope in Nigeria. He also got an ambassadorship deal of 25 million naira with TenTrade, a globally renowned multi-asset brokerage firm. A leading figure in African Forex landscape, David Achom founded Elevator Trading Academy, imparting financial confidence to over 15,000 individuals across various social media platforms and through personalized training sessions. Beyond his impactful presence online, David is an acclaimed author and a sought-after speaker, delivering over 20 keynote speeches annually. Today, we welcome David Achom, a visionary leader, a beacon of hope, and a global force shaping the future of wealth management and financial education.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining us from. My God. So I want the charts to blow up right now, okay? I want the charts to blow up right now. So drop those comments in the chat. I want the charts to blow up right now. Like, let it blow up, literally. I want the charts to blow up right now. So drop those comments in the chat box. I want the charts to blow up right now. I'll give you 30 seconds to do that. Let the charts blow up right now. Let's go. Quickly, 30 seconds. All right. Let's go. Oh my God. Yeah. So I see the charts now, and I'm going to read it one after another. Oh my God. Good morning, Isaac. Good morning, Desire Moses. Good morning, Christopher. Michael, good morning. Victor, good morning. Joshua, good morning. Bauchi, awesome. So you know how we do it, right? So put your location in the comment section. Tonight, today is going to be very, very powerful. I'm going to share with you some very, very, secret information. Oindamola, good morning. Desire Moses, good morning. Oh my God, I see the comments. Sorry, give me a minute. A second, actually. Whew. All right, I'm here now. Ah, my God. Oyin Jamula, good morning. Beautiful Monday morning. New week, fresh mindsets. My God, my God, my God. So much knowledge will be shared. Let me quickly invite my friends. You know what to do. Oh, my God. This guy really knows how we do it. So much knowledge will be shared. So let me quickly invite my friends. Let me quickly invite my friends. So invite them, let them come here. I'm gonna just wait. Everybody go ahead. Go and invite your friends. I'm gonna be teaching you the basics of Forex in today's class. I'm gonna be teaching you the basics of Forex in today's class. We'll start from the barest minimum in Forex. All right. I'll be teaching you the basics, the exact basics, beginner's guide to Forex. Beginner's guide to Forex. That's what I'm going to be teaching you today. Beginner's guide to Forex. All right. So if you know any beginner or you are a beginner yourself, then you want to stay on this call. You know any beginner or you're a beginner yourself, then you want to stay on this call because I'm going to be, I'm going to be breaking Forex down for you. All right. So if you know any beginner or you are one, I want you to, stay on this call. Stay on this call, stay on this call, stay on this call. Because it's gonna be powerful. I'm telling you the truth. It's gonna be really powerful. It's gonna blow your mind. All right. New week, fresh mindset for success. We are ready. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm ready to. I'm ready to. Desire Moses is in Makodi, Benue. Benue, Makodi. Okay, okay. I thought it's Benue, Benue. Benue, Makodi. Oh, maybe I don't know. I've forgotten my state and capital. Stay positive. Isaac from Meduguri. Good morning once again. Awesome, 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 awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. So let's jump right into what we have for today. Today's gonna be powerful, like I said earlier. Okay, Benue, Benue. Is that not it? Or you're laughing at me? Which of them? Benue, Makodi, Borno, Maduguri, Cross River, Calabar, Benue, Makodi. I don't know. You people should leave me alone. You people should leave me alone. I don't know. Benue, Benue, Makodi, Benue, anything. As long as you understand what I mean. And that's where you are. Okay? This is too much money. Good morning, sir. What church do you attend? Oh, I attend RCCG LSC The Bridge. RCCG The Bridge. The bridge is at Ikeja. Ikeja, Allen Avenue. So I'm there every Sunday. So if you want to see me, come to my church. If you want to see me, come to my church. All right. Come to my church. You'll see me. Benue Makodi. Okay, okay, okay. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know. Ade Chris Ogba Lagos. Ade Chris Ogba Lagos. Sorry, don't mind me. My eyes have been teary for like 3 days now. My eyes have been very teary for about 2 days. Ah, this eye exactly. Okay. Um. Good morning, Mobile TV. Mob. Mob. Mobila. Okay. Just good morning, TV. Good morning, TV. Oh my god, I'm so much of a clown. So let me share my screen for you guys and I'll teach you beginner's guide to trading, okay? Beginner's guide to trading, beginner's guide to trading, beginner's guide to trading. Oh, thank you, I'll do that. Beginner's guide to trading. Beginner's guide to trading. Beginner's guide to trading. Alright, beginner's guide to trading. So over the years, talk about Forex, you've heard about Forex, maybe if not from me, from someone else. But I mean, the concept of Forex is not new to you. You're not new to the concept. You've heard a few things about it. Now, the real question lies in how can I cut through the noise? as a beginner? How can I rise to the top as a beginner? All right. Let's leave the chat box and listen to me now. Okay. Someone said region 16 Meduguri, that's my parish. Parish or parish, please. I will not perish. In Jesus' name. Oh my God. Um, it's entering a swing position to give your eyes some off screen time. Okay, I heard you. Is this going to be recorded? Yes. The same link you used to join is the same link you used to access the recording. The same link exactly. The exact same link you used to join is the exact same link you used to access the recording. Okay, so it's recorded. So beginner's guide to trading. And in my course market mastery program, this is the first thing that I spoke about, because as a beginner you need to be guided through trading. As a beginner you need to be guided through trading, or you need to have someone walk you through it. You cannot wake up and then jump into it because you heard about it, or because you feel like you already know what to do. No, you need to learn. All right. If not, you will learn the hard way. All right. You need to learn. Okay. So what I'm going to tell you is love the layout, boss. Thank you. And I'm going to tell you just a few things, but it's going to change your game. It's going to change your mind. It's going to transform you. All right. Now, first of all, what is trading? I'm sure you've heard it many times. Trading. I give you money to collect this. Now, this is money here. Okay. This is money. I give you money to collect. This is how much? 200 naira. This is mentors. Are you guys with me? This is 200 naira. This is mentors. So I give you 200 naira and I collect mentors. We just traded. Do you understand? We just traded. Now, um, this is money. This is money. Let's assume that, just close your eyes and assume that this is 1,000 naira. Close your eyes and assume that this is $1. I give you $1, and you give me 1,000 naira. We just exchange money, and that is forex. So the evolution of money started from, first of all, trade by barter. I want chewing gum, and you want lip gloss. Take my chewing gum, give me your lip gloss. Do you understand? That is trading. Then later, some people were like, how can I what's the word? How can I exchange goods for goods and I can't measure the goods I'm exchanging? Do you understand? How can I exchange goods for goods and I can't measure the goods I'm exchanging? So they were like, okay, let's have a measure, or a way of measuring the goods. All right, a way of measuring the goods. And they're like, okay, let's start measuring by saying, I give you one derica of of Mentos, and you give me one derica of beans, and we have exchange. That's when the concept of derica came out. Okay. um Then later they went into saying, now we are exchanging goods for goods. I want money so that in case you don't have the goods I have, but you need the goods I have. Okay, let me explain. Mr. A has rice, Mr. B has beans. Mr. A wants spaghetti, but he has rice. Mr. B has beans, but he wants rice. Mr. B went to Mr. A, give me your rice, I have beans. Mr. B said, no, I don't want beans, it's spaghetti I want. So give me money for my rice, then I'll use that money to go and buy my spaghetti. Do you understand when the concept of exchanging goods for money now came into the picture? Before, everybody exchanged goods for goods. Everybody. But it evolved into, you don't have what I need, but I have what you need. So give me money for what you need, then I'll use that money to go and buy what I need. So that we don't have the ecosystem too large by saying exchange this, exchange this, exchange. No, rather give me money for my goods, and I'll give him money for his own goods. That was where the concept of exchanging money for goods came into the picture. Shortly after, people were like, I know we are exchanging money for goods, but I'm going to buy my goods in another location. Oh. And in that location, they don't accept the money that you gave me. So I need an alternative to spending that money there. So I have to exchange my money for your money. Do you understand where the concept now came in? I have to exchange my $1 for your 10,000 naira. I have to exchange my $10 million for my 1 million naira. Because I can't spend my dollar in naira or in Nigeria, but I bought and exchanged my goods from those in US. So I'm going to fly to Nigeria to buy the goods. So I need to exchange my money for their money, and then we started exchanging money for money. If you understand how I explained it and it makes sense, write understand in the chat box. Just write understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand in the chat box. If what I explained now just made sense, write I understand. Write I understand. If what I explained now makes sense, write I understand. I understand. I understand. I'm looking at the chat box. I understand. I understand. Right? I understand. 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 I see that. I see that. I see that. To be honest, I've watched this playlist over 10 times and I'm still on it. Awesome. I understand. I understand. I understand. Market mastery program. My aim is to watch it 21 times or more. Keep watching, bro. Keep watching. I understand. Okay. Powerful. Powerful, powerful, powerful. So let's go into, now we know money for money. Then people started exchanging money for money physically. Do you understand? People started exchanging money for money physically. Um, then they were like, okay, as much as that sounds good, um, this money for money physically is stressful. Do we have a way to exchange it virtually, such that I don't need to come to your location, but I will get the money you're trying to send to me? I don't need to come to your location, but I'll get the money you're trying to send to me. And so they started what we call Forex. So the Forex market was formed as a method of exchanging money for money, but virtually. Do you understand? As a method of exchanging money for money, but what? Virtually. That was when Forex came into the picture. So now, if I ask you, what is trading? What are you going to tell me? Trading refers to the exchange of any financial instrument. Anyone. Forex, digital currencies, crypto indices, futures, NFTs, etc. Then now, with an expectation of what? Of a change in value over time. With an expectation of a change in value over time. Obviously, a successful change in value. A successful change in value. A successful change in value. Profits result from accurately predicting price direction, whether up or down. And just from what I explained, loss in the other end will result from what? Price going opposite your prediction. Okay? These are examples of those financial instruments, and they are traded on different sessions. Okay? Sessions like Nigeria, our active time is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Some people say is 9 to 5. Okay. So in their own time too, it has to be 9 to 5. So look at their own time. What is their own 9 to 5 in their own time? What is US 9 to 5? What is London 9 to 5? What is Tokyo 9 to 5? Do you understand? And that's how we found what we call what exchange times, exchange time zones. Those exchange time zones came from each locations, all the major trading cities in the world, Tokyo being one of them, New York being one of them, London being one of them, the major trading stations in the world. So they picked their 9 to 5 and used it to form a trading time where you now trade all of these assets on. If what I'm explaining so far, if you are understanding, it's making sense. Now, Forex is not looking wild to you. It's your day-to-day transactions. The only thing is we are doing it on a virtual scale. All right. So day-to-day transactions. The only thing is we are doing it on a virtual scale. All right. Now these are examples of the financial instruments, and they all have their different symbols. Like Apple now is AAPL instead of APPLE. Okay. Same with USD, GBP USD is called GBP USD. So that's the British pound versus the US dollar. Obviously, we cannot be writing Great British pounds versus US dollar or United States dollar. No, just put the abbreviation for it. Okay. Now these are how they form their abbreviation. Just like in Nigeria, we have NGN. That's how they do it. And all of us, even including Nigeria, we are under what we call international standard, developed by an international organization for standardization. It's called ISO, but it's originally IOS, but they just changed it as ISO. Okay. So all countries of the world are under what we call international organization for standardization, and they have different set of codes that help know how to shorten a currency's quotation such that it's easy for reading, easy to communicate, for transfers. Do you understand? Imagine Nigeria, they use NIR. How you remember? But NGN, Nigerian Naira. Okay, it's easier to remember that way. Do you understand? So you have to use something that's easy for you to remember. And that's formed by the International Organization for Standardization. All right. Um, all of these currency code rules are what you can learn on your own. Just take screenshot of this in your own time, read it. Ensure you read it because it will help you to guide you into your journey of Forex. I'm telling you the truth. It's going to guide you, okay? Now, these are different symbols. United States dollar. There's a nickname. The nickname is the old name for it. Aussie for the Australian dollar. Loni for the Canadian dollar, Swizzy for the Switzerland franc. Um, just like if you're in Nigeria, your name is Femi, they will call you Famu or Femu. Do you understand? So these are the nicknames. Me, my name is David. They call me Dave. You understand? Or Davido. It's me that answer I say no. David A instead of David O. So we have the euro, we have the cable, yen. Yen is Japanese yen. I mean, Kiwi is New Zealand dollar. Buck is the United States dollar. So you hear people say, I have 10 bucks. They mean I have $10. Okay? 10 bucks, I have $10. And it's not BOX, BUCKS. Do you understand? It's not BOX, it's BUCKS. All right. Now, different points to note in currency codes. All of these things are what you can learn on your own also, because they're not directly impacting your forex journey, but they're going to guide you in your forex journey. Okay. Now major currency pairs. We have major pairs called any pair that has the United States dollar in the correlation is a major pair. Any pair. NGN USD. That's Nigeria Naira US dollar. Major pair. USD JPY major pair, GBP USD major pair. Any pair that has the US dollar in the correlation is a major pair. Minor pairs do not have US dollar in their correlation. So EUR Euro Naira is a minor pair. EUR JPY is a minor pair. GBP JPY is a minor pair. GBP card is a minor pair. AUD card is the minor pair. Any pair that does not have USD in the correlation is a minor pair. And now we have what we call exotic pairs. Exotic pairs are non-currency assets. So as their assets, but they're not any currency or any country's currency. They don't belong to any country. They are called exotic pairs. They don't belong to any what? Any country. They don't belong to any country. They are called exotic pairs. Examples are gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. They don't belong to any what? Any country. They don't. So they are called exotic pairs. Now, trading time zones, as I was explaining earlier, trading time zones, the market is open 24 hours a day. All right. However, there are different times that you need to take trades. There are specific times. The fact that the road is open 24 hours in Nigeria, they will not stop you from passing the road now. Go to Terminal Bridge in the morning, they will not lock the road. Afternoon, they will not lock it. Night, they will not lock it. But what's the safest time to drive there? Between anytime that sunlight is still open, so that at least you will see where you're driving. Abi, hey, same with the forex market. The market is open every time, but that does not mean you should go into the market every time. Market is open every time, but that does not mean you should go into the market every time. Market is open every time, but that does not mean you should go to the market every time. There are different times to trade. There are good times to trade, potential trading time zones. Very good to trade. So just because you can trade market at any time does not mean you should. Best time is when a lot of traders are in the market, so they'll be there to monitor you. I'm not saying accidents is good though, but when's the best time to have an accident? When everybody is there, at least they can help you out. If nobody is there, who will help you? Do you understand? Who will help you if nobody is there? Um, so forex market can be broken into four major time zones, like I explained earlier. We have Sydney session. Sydney is one of the major trading headquarters in the world. We have Tokyo session, we have London session, and we have New York session. We have Sydney, we have Tokyo, we have London, and we have New York. We have Sydney, we have Tokyo, we have London, and we have New York. We have Sydney, we have Tokyo, we have London, and we have New York. We have Sydney, we have Tokyo, we have London, and we have New York. Okay, so all of these times are in UTC. So you have to be the one to convert it to your Nigerian time. However, because you're in Nigeria, if you're not in Nigeria, then convert it to your own local time. Because I know we have international audience here. But if you're in Nigeria, guess what? All you need to do is wake up in the morning at 8 a.m. and go into the market, leave the market at 5 p.m. and then you are safe. That's all. That's all you need to do. I'm telling you the truth. That's all you need to do. Go into the market in the morning at 8, leave there by 5. Because it correlates with London 7 to 4, 8 to 5. Simple. London right now, though their time and our time is now the same. Do you understand? Their time and our time is now the same. But there was a time that we were 1 hour ahead of them. All right. So anyone you choose between 8 in the morning and between 8 in the morning and 5 p.m. stay in the market and it's safe for you. I'm telling you, it's safe for you. All right, it's very safe for you. And don't trade during the weekends. Don't trade during the weekends. The best time to trade is 8 to 5, and that's a correlation or a clash of London session and New York session together. New York session starts at 1 p.m. London session starts at 8 a.m. So imagine you are trading when both of them are on. When the two major trading headquarters in the world are on, guess what? You see volume, and volume is what moves the market. Volume is what you are looking for as a trader. All right, volume is what you are looking for as a trader. Now we have what we call correlated pairs, correlated pairs, correlated pairs, correlated pairs, correlated pairs. In Nigeria, we have borders. Borders are how we share between Nigeria and Niger, Nigeria and Ghana, Nigeria and Benin. All of these are borders, okay? So there's a correlation in the habits, in the look-alike. If you see someone from Nigeria and maybe the northern part, and you see someone from Benin, they will look very correlated. Do you understand? They will look very correlated. It's called correlated pairs, okay? So one tend to behave like the other. One tend to behave, or both tend to behave alike. Do you understand? So it's a way for traders to identify which currency will move similarly to another. So both of them are Africans, and they share a border. So character traits and all of those things are bound to be very, very similar. Character traits are bound to be very, very similar. Do you understand? And that's what you want to look at. That's your superpower in the market. Okay. Someone say, but Forex market closes Friday till 9 p.m. Sunday night. That's the time I believe. I stand to be corrected. Forex market is open from 11 p.m. on Sunday. But what are you looking for? 11 p.m. is Sydney session. What are you looking for at 11 p.m.? Okay, Sydney session is 11 p.m. But I mean that they also call it Asian. So what are you looking for? Yeah, I'm not looking for anything in the market. I don't even trade on Mondays naturally. Okay, yeah, but yeah, I just broke down correlated pairs for you. Examples of correlated pairs are the let me show you GBP USD and Euro USD. They are correlated because USD is a common factor, and the Eurozone and the Great British are closely tied economies trading together. Do you understand? The Euro and Great Britain are closely tied economies. So because of that, and then they have USD as a correlation, as a common factor, because of that, they tend to move alike. That does not mean they are moving uniformly. It only means when one is buying, most likely the other one will almost be buying. When one is selling, most likely the other one will almost be selling. That's what they mean by close correlation. Do you understand? So you tend to see how some currency or some correlated forex pairs move. You understand? However, some are weaker, some are stronger. But I just shared with you. Also, NZD and AUD, NZD USD and AUD USD, Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar move similarly because they're closely tied with economies. Closely tied economies. Yeah. So how can you take advantage of correlated pairs? If you're unsure what one will do, just use the same across, like you take the same buy on two pairs. That's USD and Euro USD. If you're unsure what to do. But me advice, I mean, you learn it and be sure. But if you're unsure, take buy on both of them and then try to see what happens. If one fails you, the other one will most likely give you a profit. Do you understand? Because one of them must obey the buy sentiment of the market. All right. Now, the only disadvantage is that you're going to be taking too much risk because as opposed to entering one position, you now enter two, and then you have to manage two. Yes, you can reduce your lot size and then reduce your risk, but it's still stressful because you have to manage two trades. But the advantage is, I mean, it increases your return over time, and all of those things. Do you understand? All of this just it further explains correlation. The Canadian dollar and crude oil are similar. So whenever Canadian dollar is tending to move well, crude oil tends to move well too. Whenever Canadian dollar is declining, crude oil will also decline. When I say crude oil, what do I mean? I mean US oil. So there's an asset called US oil on your trading view. That asset is traded. Okay. So Canadian dollar card. If USD card is selling, crude oil will be buying. If USD card is buying, crude oil will be selling. Do you understand? When oil goes down, USD card goes up. When oil goes up, USD card goes down. They are direct inverse correlation. They are what we call direct inverse correlation. Someone say, well, please, what's the reason why London will be ahead in time against Nigerian time sometimes, and sometimes to be balanced? Well, I also don't have perfect explanation to it, but I was told the time shifts. The time is to shift, and that's what I was told. So I don't have a perfect explanation to that. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a perfect explanation to that. By the way, so far, if you have been learning something, I want to give the video a thumbs up. Now, no, 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 no. Do it now, please. Give this video a thumbs up now. Give this video a thumbs up. Sir, please, do you trade volatility index? I'm learning. I paid for a mentorship to learn how to trade volatility index. That's V75, V100, all of those things. I'm learning. So I'm not yet a professional at it. So I already paid someone that'll teach me how to trade it. Okay. Don't give the video a thumbs up in the comment section. No. I mean, like the video so that YouTube will recommend to other people. Like the video. Do you understand? Like the video. So trading the exchange rates is what we do in the forex market. We trade the exchange rates. We don't trade the currency itself. We trade the currency's exchange rates, as opposed to those bureau de change that trade the currency. So bureau de change trade the currency. Forex traders trade the exchange rates. Do you understand? So if the exchange rate is $1 to 1.1 pound, guess what? That's what we're going to trade. We'll, we'll buy The exchange rate expecting that 1.1 pound will increase to 1.2 or 1.150. That's what it means to trade the exchange rate. All right. Now, exchange rate measurements, we do it in pips. Pips is called percentage in profits, or percentage in points rather. um Pips, percentage in points. Now, the same way we have kilometer as a measure of calculating how far, the distance. Do you understand? We have pips as a measure of calculating how far in profit or loss the market has moved. Do you understand? How far in distance the market has moved. So it's a unit for measuring. Same way we have decimeter, same way we have centimeter, same way we have 1 kilo, same way we have 1 derica, 1 liter, same way we have 1 pip. They are all measurement aids. Do you understand? They are all used in measuring. Now, trading lot sizes, same way we have 1 kilo. Now, kilo there, kilo there is pips. One there is lot size. So 1 kilo. So if I buy 10 kilo of chicken, it's more like saying I'm buying 10 lots of gold. I'm buying 10 lots of gold is the same with I'm buying 10 kilo of chicken. So it is measured. Do you understand? So I don't want you to see it like something strange. No, it's something you do every day. I want to go and buy 10 liter of fuel for my gen. Okay, so guess what? That 10 liter is same with me saying I want to go and buy 10 lots of US oil. It's the same, exact same. Do you understand? Now, lot sizes and units. A unit refers to the amount of a given financial instrument that is controlled at a given lot size. So one, it's just like saying 1 kilo contains how much, like what's the weight. 1 kilo is it weighs 1 kilo weighs maybe 50 kg or something. I don't know. Or saying 1 liter is equal to 100 milliliter. So one lot is equal to 100,000 units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. One lot, one micro lot is equal to 1,000 units. The same thing. It's the same thing. It's just a way of measuring. Do you understand? It's a way we used to measure. It's a way we used to measure. That's the way we measure here in Forex. Same way those guys measure the road in kilometer. Do you understand? It's the same thing, exact same thing. All right. We can you can have um current market price. Yeah, current market price is where are you right now according to Google Map. Where are you right now? You know when someone say send me your location, your live location, that's what they mean by current market price. Current market price is where is the market at currently? Where's the market at right now? So right now, market is at 1.1732333. Yes, that is the current market price. Do you understand? The only thing is that for you to be uniform across all locations and all boards. Imagine someone tell you my own current market price is 1.12. Someone say my own is 1.121. Another person say my own is 1.122. You say okay, let every current market price be measured to 4 digits after the decimal points. That's all. Let every current market price be measured to 4 digits after the decimal point, except JPY pairs that is equal to 2 digits after the decimal point. You know, that's all. Do you understand? So it shows you that it is universal across all demography. Do you understand? So calculating peak value, all of these things are ways and methods you can calculate those. Um, Trading multiple lots, you can, like I said, there's 1 lot, there's 2 lots, there's 3 lots, there's 4 lots, there's 5 lots, there's 100 lots, all of those things. All right. A few examples of how lot size and pips equate to profit and loss. I just showed you. 5 pips is equal to 0.50. 50 pips is equal to $50. 500 pips is equal to $5,000 when you're on one standard lot. Do you understand? So pretty much these are all I'll share with you today. on beginner's guide. At least now I've guided you. I didn't make it too technical, and I didn't make it less technical. I just made it to be in between, because that's what you need for right now. Okay, that's what you need for right now. Um, so because of our time, I don't want us to take too much time like we always do. And actually, because I'm hungry, I'm very hungry already. My stomach is singing song. I don't know why. So let's go and eat. Wait, is that just say let's go and eat? Jesus, don't mind me. Let's let's analyze the market. Jesus, hunger and a rubbish person. Let's look at the market together. Um, let's look at the market together. Give me 30 seconds, please. All right, I'm here now. Um, I'm here now. So I want to believe you guys can still hear me. I want to believe you can still hear me. So let's go into the analysis. All right. Let's go into the analysis. Okay. Um, 4 hours time frame. Sorry, someone was trying to call me, so I needed to tell the person that I'm busy. All right. So you guys can see my screen well. We're in a heavy downtrend. This is consolidation and then breakout. So price will retest on the consolidation. Then maybe breakout if he wants to. But if price refuses to do that, that means um no, price will do that. Unless price wants to just from here start going up, which is not very feasible. Which is not very feasible. Not very feasible for price to just break out and start going up. It's not very feasible for price to just from here start going up. So I expect price because of this consolidation to respect the consolidation, and also respect this zone. So overall for my sell, major sell, I expect the major sell here. This is the first zone I expect major sell from. Now second zone I expect the major sell from. That is if price fails on the first, will be here. Okay, will be here. I expect sales from both of these places. All right. So yeah, I expect sales from both of those places. So for GBP USD, sorry, for this week rather, I'm not trying to do a top-down analysis. So we're just continuing from where price stopped last week. Is here. This is where price will fall from. This place, not this one. Is this one here? Mark my words. Is this one here? This is where price will fall from. Let's use Fibonacci. This was the swing high into this swing low, and this is 50%. Yes, it's here. This is where price will fall from. If it comes to 61.8, good, but yeah, I expect price to fall from here. So again, we are still going to buy for a bit, but I'm not the one to tell you when to buy and when not to buy because we're in a sales zone and I'm not going to do counter trend trading. But this 172 pips is quite a healthy one. So if price breaks highs and lows consecutively, then I'll take the buy. So you guys just don't worry, I'll update people on the Telegram and on the WhatsApp over the week because this one is not clear for me to say this week will be buy, this week will be sell, because of how price broke this below. Let me show you what I mean. Assuming price respected this, I would have said okay, we'll have buys, but price did not respect it. Number one, number two, price is oversold, so it needs to retrace, but it did not respect here. It broke it below, so it has to give me bullish confirmation before we will confirm that retracement because it's oversold already. It needs to retrace. So before we confirm the retracement, I need to see some bullish confirmations. Okay, before I'll tell you, okay, yes, price will sell or price will buy. Someone say, please, is this a live trading? Yes, now. But don't enter anything. I not tell you to enter anything. So that's what I'm expecting. Um, price has not given us a clear direction. So for now, I'm still open. My tabs are open. I'm not sure whether we are buying or selling yet this week. Unlike other weeks where I'm very sure, this week I'm not very sure. That's because we're supposed to be buying, but price just made a very major sell move. So let's just wait, wait till the end of today and see what happens today. So don't try to trade in the market today. If you do it at your own risk. I'm not threatening you, I'm only telling you based on expert advice. So if you do it, you're doing it on your own will, not mine. Okay? So that's what I expect for price. Um, that's what I expect. Any question before we call it a day? I'm done for today. Any question? Any question before we call it a day? Any question before we call it a day? Any question. Any question before we call it a day, please? Sir, please, what pair is this and time frame? That's GBP and that is 1 hour time frame. How many pairs do you trade? I trade only GBP but I analyze as many pairs as possible. But I trade only GBP. What about tomorrow? Will you be live? No, dear. My live is only for the public once a week, which is Monday. I do live with my students. We we do live twice a day, 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. every day except Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, so every day of the week there's a live class going on, but it's not going to be from me. I'll be not going to be for the public rather, because uh I mean those are paid students. The public did not pay. Okay. It's always worth it. Simplify. Thank you, coach. You're welcome, Desire Moses. You're welcome. Since there are no other questions, I would call it a day here. And I want you to have a good one, have a good week, have a blessed time. And don't rush yourself. Take your time. Don't be overly excited in the market. At the same time, don't be depressed in the market. Keep a positive energy, but be careful to calculate your risk and calculate your every move in the market. And that will be all from me today. This is me officially saying, have a blessed one. Um, yeah, you're welcome. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys for the VIP student. I'll see you on the VIP. For for the public, see you on Telegram. Okay. What advice would you advise? What advice would you? What's your advice for a newbie who wants to start trading gold? Oh, if you are starting with gold and you have a good mentor, then why not? If you don't have a good mentor, don't do good. If you're not going to pay for mentorship from a good mentor, a mentor that is willing to do one-on-one session with you and guide you through. Don't look for the popular guys. It's not every time that those popular guys are the best, so are the solution for you. It's not every time. Sometimes it's those unpopular ones. All right. It's not every time you come and meet me. Sometimes you go and meet. Go and meet Freeman. Go and meet Timmy. Sometimes go and meet Jumoke. It's not every time you come and meet me. You understand? Because the way it is those your popular guys, um, they're usually very occupied, very busy. You understand? Those your popular guys are usually very busy, but those unpopular ones are not as busy as the popular ones. But many people are not aware of that, and so they don't take their time to look for the unpopular ones that are very good. If you find an unpopular one that is good, then meet him and learn from him. If you find a popular one that has your time, then learn from him. But if the popular one does not have your time, please make sure you, as a newbie, make sure you have a mentor. I beg you. I beg you. Number two, make sure it's a mentor that has your time. All right. Then number three, make sure it's someone that has results to show you and results to help you achieve. How can I join your VIP session? Okay. Um, just join my VIP session, Abi. What you want to do is let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is my mentorship group here, elevatortrading.org. I'll keep the link in the comment section right now. How much is the cost for your class? There are different prices, my brother. There are different prices. Depends on you and what you can afford. There are different prices. Vast Word says, thanks for the impact. Always, great one, David. Thank you very much, Vast Word. That name sounds familiar, so I'm trying to remember who that is. But you can please message me on Instagram, Vast Word. Message me on Instagram. I want to know who you are. My Instagram is showing on the screen right now. So message me on Instagram. I want to know who you are. The name sounds familiar. So I want to be sure it's someone I know. So password, message me on Instagram. Yeah, so for those that want to join my VIP, this is the link showing on your screen right now, elevatortrading.org. Once you come here, you see something like this, then you locate mentorship plans. And then you see all the we have a plan tailored for you. Tailored plan for you. So we have 6 months for $300, 12 months for 500, then one-on-one with me for 999, which is 1,000. Okay. Yeah. Then we have these are the things you benefit. These are the things you benefit. These are the things you benefit. Okay. If you take a look at our daily schedule, this is our daily schedule. We have classes every day. Every day we have classes. In the morning, 8 a.m. Then time is 1 p.m., not 2 p.m. So I think this needs to be updated. I'll tell them to update it. 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. every day. And we have classes. Okay. So we did it for you, specifically for you. Okay. We did it specifically for you. Okay. I believe there's no other question as regards how you can join my mentorship group now. I've shown you how you can join it. I've shown you how you can join it. Okay. Uh, it says I just need signals. No, I'm not the one to be giving you signals. If you just need signals, just go and join Telegram, join my Telegram group, or go to anybody Telegram. I teach. I'm a mentor. Okay. I'm not a signal provider. You just need signals. That's why people blow accounts. All right. So people blow account because they don't want to learn. They just want signals. You just want signals, not that you just need signals. And I'm not going to try to convince you. If that's what you want, then enjoy. It's not me, you get it, okay? So go somewhere else, you'll find it. If you want mentorship that takes a minimum of 1 year, minimum, come and meet me. Minimum. I don't rush people because I've helped people produce results. I've seen people that are almost depressed at the verge of giving up because they've lost crazy money. And after 1 year, they're now buying luxury items with Forex money. Do you understand? I've taught some. Do you understand? I've mentored a number of them. So I'm not going to be telling you, come for signal. No, if it's signal you want, it's not me. Go somewhere else. But if it's mentorship, if it's guidance, if it is a leader, if it's a coach you're looking for, then yeah, you're in the right place. But if you're not looking for, signals, go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. All right. That'll be all from me today. And have a blessed one, everybody. Um, so that's what I will expect your message on Instagram. I want to know who you are, and then I want to connect with you. I want to know who you are, and I want to connect with you. Since there's no other question, that will be all from me today. Have a good time. Bye.